In the year 2247, classrooms hummed with a futuristic energy. 10-year-old Maya bounced in her seat, eyes sparkling with anticipation. Today, Professor Lamina was unveiling the latest marvel, the ChronoCube, a handheld device capable of rewinding time on a microscopic level. Imagine, Professor Lumina's hologram shimmered above the class, a world where spilled milk unspills, broken crayons mend themselves, and forgotten words magically reappear. Intrigued gasps filled the room. Maya clutched her ChronoCube, its sleek surface cool against her palm. It pulsed with a gentle blue light, ready for its first adventure. Professor Lamina held up a wilting daisy. Observe, this poor flower has succumbed to the cruel passage of time. With a tap of her ChronoCube, the daisy pulsed, its petals retracting, its stem shrinking. Then, in a breathtaking reversal, the bud swelled, green returning to its leaves, until it stood vibrant and fresh once more. A collective wow rippled through the class. Maya's ChronoCube itched in her hand. She couldn't wait to try it herself. Professor Lamina divided the class into pairs. Maya teamed up with her best friend, Kai. Their chosen subject, a crumbling sandcastle, victim of an overzealous wave. With trembling fingers, Maya aimed the ChronoCube at the castle's ruins. A shimmering dome enveloped the sand, and time rewound. Grains of sand danced upwards, rebuilding the turrets and walls, until the castle stood proud once more. The classroom erupted in cheers. Maya and Kai high-fived, their hearts swelling with the power of time itself. But amidst the jubilation, a voice piped up. "But Professor," a little girl named Ilara asked, "doesn't rewinding time mean things never really happen? What about the lessons we learn from mistakes?" Professor Lamina smiled. "Excellent question, Ilara. The ChronoCube isn't a magic eraser. It teaches us that time flows like a river, ever onward. While we can revisit moments, the lessons learned, the joy shared, and the consequences faced remain etched in our memories, guiding us forward." Maya pondered Ilara's words. The ChronoCube was indeed a marvel, but it couldn't rewind the lessons she'd learned from building the sandcastle, the collaboration with Kai, or the thrill of scientific discovery. Time, she realized, was a precious river, best navigated with both curiosity and caution. As the class ended, Maya slipped her ChronoCube into her pocket. It was a powerful tool, but she knew its true value lay not in erasing the past, but in shaping the future, one carefully chosen moment at a time.
Imagine a world where time isn't just a one-way street, but a winding road with the ability to reverse. That's the mind-bending implication of a recent study published in Nature Physics, where researchers observed time flowing backwards within a specific material. Now, before you start thinking about time travel to the past, let's be clear, this phenomenon is happening at the quantum level, the realm of atoms and subatomic particles. It doesn't mean you can suddenly hop into a machine and relive your childhood. The material in question is a crystal doped with dysprosium ions. These ions have tiny magnetic properties that can be manipulated using carefully crafted pulses of magnetic fields. By applying these pulses in a specific sequence, the researchers were able to put the spins of the ions into a special quantum state. In this state, the spin's behavior becomes time reversible. Think of it like rewinding a specific section of a movie. The spin's flips essentially play backward, effectively reversing the flow of time for them. Within that isolated system, it's crucial to remember that this doesn't involve macroscopic time travel. The time reversal only applies to the specific quantum state of the dysprosium ions within the crystal, and it doesn't affect the surrounding environment. So, what are the implications of this discovery? Well, for starters, it deepens our understanding of quantum mechanics, that bizarre and fascinating realm, where the laws of physics play by different rules. This research also has potential applications in areas like quantum computing and error correction. Quantum computers are incredibly powerful machines, but they're also very delicate. Errors can easily creep in and disrupt their calculations. Time reversal could be used to correct these errors, making quantum computers more reliable and efficient. While macroscopic time travel remains largely in the realm of science fiction, this experiment highlights the fascinating possibilities that arise from our deepening understanding of the quantum world. Who knows what other secrets might be unlocked as we continue to explore the nature of time and reality itself. In conclusion, the discovery of time reversal in materials is a significant step forward in our understanding of the universe. It may not mean we can hop in a time machine just yet, but it opens up exciting possibilities for the future of physics and technology.
But the universe holds even more secrets. In another remarkable experiment, scientists used a laser to sculpt light into a mesmerizing pattern, the Fibonacci sequence. This spiral dance of light, inspired by nature's golden ratio, interacted with a cloud of atoms in a unique way. The result? A brand new phase of matter, never before seen, with properties unlike any other. This Fibonacci matter exhibits exotic behaviors like superfluid flow and altered light propagation, challenging our current understanding of matter itself. These discoveries, while groundbreaking, are just the tip of the iceberg. They remind us that the universe is far stranger, more complex, and more awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. We stand on the precipice of a new era of scientific exploration. With every breakthrough, we unlock more secrets, but also unveil a vast ocean of the unknown. The journey to unravel these mysteries has just begun. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll even understand the dance of time itself.